Welcome to an example of partitive division, also known as sharing or grouping division, using base 10 blocks. We are given the quotient 825 divided by 6. We can view this quotient as beginning with 825, and because we are dividing by 6, we want to try to form 6 groups, with each group containing the same amount, or we can think of this as beginning with 825 and trying to share this equally among 6 groups. The first step is to model 825 using base 10 blocks. For review, a flat equals 100, a rod equals 10, and a unit equals 1. For 825, we have 8 flats, which equals 800, 2 rods, which equals 20, and 5 units, which equals 5. And now, because we're dividing by 6, we want to form 6 groups, with each group containing the same amount. Beginning with the 8 flats, we will share 1 flat with each group. Let's call this group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, and group 6. Notice now we still have 2 flats though. Because we cannot share these 2 flats equally among these 6 groups, we need to perform an exchange. 10 rods equal 1 flat, and therefore we will exchange 10 rods for this flat and 10 rods for this flat. Before we do this, let's move these 2 rods over here, and now we'll perform the exchanges. We will now exchange these 10 rods for this flat, and now we'll do the same for this flat. Now we exchange these 10 rods for this flat. Now we have a total of 10, 20, 21, 22 rods, which we need to try to share equally among these 6 groups. Because 6 times 3 is equal to 18, we can share 3 rods with each group, or if we want, we can just share 1 rod at a time with each group. Let's go ahead and do this. We'll share 1 rod with each group. And now we will share a second rod with each group. Or again, we could share 3 rods with each group rather than 1 rod at a time. Now we'll share a third rod with each group. Notice how we still have 4 rods, but because we cannot share these 4 rods equally among these 6 groups, we need to perform another exchange. Each rod is equal to 10 units. We will exchange 10 units for each of these 4 rods. Here's the first exchange. The second exchange. The third exchange. And we have 1 more exchange. After this last exchange, notice how we have a total of 10, 20, 30, 45 units, which we need to try to share equally among these 6 groups. Because 7 times 6 is equal to 42, we can share 7 units with each group. Let's go ahead and do this. Notice how now we have 6 groups. Each group contains 1 flat, 3 rods, and 7 units, which is equal to 137. Also notice how we have these 3 units left over, which is the remainder of the quotient. The quotient is 137 with a remainder of 3. I hope you found this helpful.